There are three different options for the C2 screw. One is the translaminar, which is the less commonly used. One is the pars screw, and the last one, which I mostly prefer, is the transpedicular screw. To place a screw with the freehand technique, you do a distraction interlaminar between the C1 and C2 arch. If you achieve a gentle distraction, you can open the joint of C1, C2. This not only allows you very good fusion, but also allows you to orientate yourself. You can palpate the anterior portion of the joint space, and this helps you to orientate. You can also palpate the medial border of the pedicle, and this allows you to start a little bit more cranially and with more convergence in comparison to the pars screw to drill about 26 millimeters and then place a screw, which has a very good purchase.